All right, everyone. So today in this webinar, we are going to discuss about a trading plan, which I shared diagrams, everything in a past previous week on a Discord. So today we will discuss all about diagrams and trading plan, that how you can execute your trades and what criteria you should follow. And a lot of people get confused when I posted a diagram. They don't understand exactly what I mean and what I'm trying to explain there. So here you can understand everything, that how you can deal in a different situation. All right. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start from a diagram. This one, everything is clear, everyone, like audio and screen. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you so much. Look at this one. First of all, understand this diagram is here. Here you can see it's a very clear example. This is our bullish diagram is here, right? In this scenario, what happened here? If market momentum is a bullish, okay, if market momentum is a bullish, and you have to wait for it two scenario. First one, if market sweep the previous high is here, then you can buy or sell. And second one is a taken out the inducement, right? So at this point, what happened here? Like for example, here is a break of structure is here. After break of structure, what happened here? Market must be taken out the inducement. So where is inducement here? Market taken out the inducement, mitigated order block is here. So after taking out the inducement, price can be tapped on your unmitigated order block, and then you can buy there based on lower time frame confirmation, chalk and flip and T module, right? So this is a first scenario. Second scenario is here. If you want a more like a additional confirmation for the buy and sell, then you can use single candle order block for additional confirmation. Okay. So what happened here? Price type here and gives a single candle order block confirmation. Price type here gives a reaction, and third candle mitigate this first candle order block, which is our bearish order block, sorry, bullish order block, and tap there, and you can buy here, right? But in this situation, you don't need to wait for taking out the inducement or anything, right? When you're looking for the buy and sell based on single candle order block, in that case, you don't need to wait for taking out the inducement in a lower time frame confirmation. Okay, but when you're buying or selling on PUI and you are looking for the buy and sell based on chalk and flip, then you need inducement as per our trading plan, right? So here you can buy in a two scenario. First one, taken out the inducement, tap here and wait for single candle order block. Sometime what happened? Market tap here and gives reaction but failed. There is no single candle order block create here, but market give reaction sometime and sometime not, and directly push downside, right? So these things happen here. So you have to wait for it. So simply you can buy here. This is a simple process for the buy. Again, break the structure and you have to buy here and set your target as here, right? And do not try to sell here because there is a no sweep and market pretend is a bullish. So in this case, wait for taking out the inducement and buy. Simple. Okay. If market is a bullish and previous high is a broken, right, then you have to wait for taking out the inducement before the buy. And second thing, if market sweep the previous high is here like this, so you can also sell here, but for the short term, not for the longer term, right, which will be covered in a next diagram. Okay, again same thing happen here, taken out the inducement, and here you can see in a two scenario. First one is here, inducement is here and your order block is here. This is decisional order block or extreme order block, right? So in this case, two scenarios are possible. First one, if inducement sweep here, this candle close over it, right? It means we can buy here. Okay, we can buy here. Okay, but based on single candle order block is here. Okay, If you are planning to buy here, like previous inducement sweep here, and you are waiting for it to mitigate this one, sometime what happened, market just sweep the inducement because market need inducement or liquidity before continuation and before a reversal. Taken out the inducement and you can buy here, sell here based on single candle order block, simply here and target here. Okay. If market not create here any single candle order block, okay, and just gives reaction and push downside and maybe sharply push downside and mitigate your order block here, then you can buy here based on chalk and flip entry model. So that's it in this diagram. In this diagram, you have to understand only two things. First one, if inducement taken out and tap on your order block, then you can buy or sell based on chalk and flip. Okay. But if you want a more additional confirmation, then you can also take additional confirmation based on single candle order block, but price must be tap on a order block. Okay. And next scenario, market taken out the inducement, but there is a no order block mitigate here. Just sweep this liquidity. That's why we can buy here, taken out the inducement and mitigate here and continue going higher high. Okay. If this setup is a failed, then you can also buy here on your extreme order block and continue going higher high. So these are possible scenario is here for you for buy. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more example. I mean, the next diagram. So this is our next diagram is here. In this diagram, situation are little bit different. Okay. How? Look at this one. In this case, taken out the inducement, mitigate your order block. You can buy here based on chalk and flip. Also single candle order block, but price must be tap on PY is here. Simple. Right? But in this situation, what happened is if market sweep this high, sometime what happened, market is a bullish and market sweep the previous high. And then in that case, how you can deal? Simply you can sell here, but for the short term. And remember one more thing, this is a 50% of probability setup. This is a not high probability. Why? Because trend is a bullish. So if the previous high, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block and target first pullback, which is like you can say inducement, right? You can sell here for the short term because in the next attempt, possible market can go higher. Okay. And if you are willing to buy here, because you don't know exactly market can be go higher and maybe push downside because market collect liquidity is here, right? So in this case also you can do same thing here, market mitigate something here. Okay. And then you can buy here for the short term this high as a target, but you have to always wait for chalk flip or single candle mitigation, single candle order block for the confirmation in this case. Okay. In the next scenario, what happened here? Market continue going higher high. Again, market just taken out the inducement and confirm the higher high. Here also you can buy based on single candle order block, which is already covered in a previous diagram that how you can deal. Simply the next candle open and third candle mitigation this order block, you can buy here and target this high. Okay. So this is a simple process. When you are looking for the buy and sell based on single candle order block, then you don't need to wait for inducement before the buy or sell in a lower time frame, which is already covered in part 15, 16, and 17. In the next attempt, what happened here? Market continue go higher high, break the structure, push downside. And in this case, you can see this is a different story. Here you can see there is no inducement. Simply you are looking here for the buy, right? But why you are buying here? Still there is no inducement at this point. because this point taken out the liquidity. That's why this is an important level for you for buy, right? If market not taken out the liquidity, just pushing downside and then continue going higher high, then market must be taken out the inducement before upside move or downside move. Main thing is taken out the liquidity and inducement. If market grab the liquidity, if market taken out the inducement, then definitely you can go for the buy and sell in that zone, right? So this is a simple thing. Okay. And remember one more thing, this is a not higher high. Why? Even break of structure, this is not higher high. Higher high is a confirm when market taken out the inducement. So in this case, market push downside and buy, but maybe in the next attempt can go lower and like this. So this become our higher high because taken out the inducement. And this move is called our break of structure is here. And this is our higher high. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one more different diagram is here. In this diagram, you can see this is a bullish structure also. And in this case, you can play in a both side of scenario, right? In a past two diagram, we have covered that if market taken out the inducement and then market tap on your order block POI, then you can buy or sell based on chalk and flip entry module. And second thing, if market just sweep the inducement, and you can also buy or sell based on your single candle order block, right? And different next scenario was explained in a previous diagram. If market sweep the inducement or sweep the main low and then market push higher and came back the on same point, then you don't need to wait for inducement before the buy or sell, right? But in this diagram, you will see if market as a bullish taken out the inducement and fail your decisional PY, then how you can sell for the short term, sell for the counter trend, right? Look at this one. This structure is a bullish here, break of structure, taken out the inducement, mitigate your PY and continue. You can buy here based on single candle order block chalk flip entry module, applicable everywhere here because price tap on your higher time frame PY, right? Break the structure and this is your final target. Again, you have to wait for taking out the inducement. Same thing happen here. This is your inducement, tap on your PY, and this one is your decisional PY. After taking out the inducement, market must be a tap on your PY or market must be sweep the inducement before continuation, right? But in this case, market taking out the inducement, tap on your higher time frame PY, but gives a small reaction to the upside, but not able to go higher and fail to the downside. So in this case, how you can deal in this type of situation? Simply, you can do two things. First thing is here, when price tap here, you have to wait for it single candle order block. Single candle order block gives you additional confirmation for the buy and sell in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame also, right? Simply gives reaction and fail, and possible here you can miss trade here. Market maybe not create structure as well as per our plan. And second thing, if market create everything as per our plan and maybe your stop loss hit here. Why? Because market gives a reaction and maybe here your entry execute and failed, but this is a valid setup for this fail, right? When market failed this one and broken this low, it means this demand is not valid for the buy and market looking for the more deeper move to the downside, right? So how you can deal? Simply when demand is a fail and you can sell based on a flip entry module as per the higher time frame. So simply this demand convert into supply, right? When this one is a supply, then how you can sell? You have to wait for taking out the inducement. You have to wait for it liquidity grab. So there is a no inducement create here. I'm talking about this one. This is a single leg move here, right? If market create move something like this, okay, so you can sell here because this high act like a inducement, okay? If market not create here inducement, which is already covered in a flip anti module also, so this high must be taken out because this is a supply, everyone looking here for sell, market grab the liquidity, and you can sell here based on a single candle order block. Also, if market mitigate here any PY order block, you can sell till extreme order block, which is here. Okay, so simply you can sell here something like this. When price tap here, you can also buy or sell based on flip anti-module and chalk anti-module in a lower time frame. Also single candle order block. Single candle order block, you have to wait for it in a higher time frame first, and then you have to switch in a lower time frame. Okay, so this is a bullish scenario and how you can deal in a different type of situation. Now I'm going to show you in a bearish market. Okay, so this is our bearish diagram, and this one is a just reverse of the bullish diagram, right? And similar thing is here, and rule are similar, but direction is a just opposite of the bullish market. Okay, so simply how you can deal in this situation, you can simply buy or sell after taking out the inducement, and after sweep the inducement. Okay, market momentum is a bearish, break of structure is here, and after this break of structure, what happened here? Market must be taken out the inducement, which is here, and this one is your unmitigated order block here. Tap here price, you have to wait for it to mitigation. Price tap here, and you can buy or sell lower time frame chalk and flip anti module. Also, you can buy or sell in a based on a single candle order block because price tap on your higher time frame PY, right? And second thing is here, if price not tap here, just sweep this inducement here, then you can sell here based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need to wait for chalk or flip anything. Okay. Push downside, break the structure. Again, similar thing, inducement, mitigate your order block is here. Gaps reaction here. If in at this point, you can see two scenarios. First one is a market create structure as per your plan in a lower time frame, like chalk and flip, everything. And also single candle order block, possibly. Then in that case, your stop loss hit because market push upside, and this setup is a failed. And second scenario is here, market gives reaction but not create any trading plan as per our plan, right? And broken this supply. It means market not able to hold this zone and price looking for more deeper move to the upside before a downside move, like then fail this one and push downside. So this supply convert into demand. So this supply convert into demand, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this PY. So like this, and failed this one because market need liquidity. Liquidity is here because everyone buying here on this order block. Market grab liquidity. You can buy here based on single candle order block, right? Because market taken out this inducement. And if market mitigate this one, and here you can also buy here based on chalk and flip. When price tap on your high time frame PY means order block, then you need lower time frame chalk and flip. When market sweep the main high low, sweep the inducement, and you are looking for the buy or sell based on single candle order block, in that case, you don't need to wait for inducement in a lower time frame. Correct? Tap here and you can buy here till extreme order block mitigation. Price tap here. Simply you can switch here in a lower time frame confirmation and you can buy or sell chalk flip and single candle order block also entry. First low broken is a break even and maybe partial, and next final target is here. That's it. Okay. And now I'm going to switch in a next part, next diagram. In this diagram, you can see everything is a bearish, but situation are a little bit are different in this case. You can see the past diagram was also bearish, but here is a situation a little bit different. Inducement taken out, tap on your PY and create single candle order block, which is recently I cover. Then you can also sell here and put the stop loss just over it. Right. If you are willing to buy or sell directly without lower time frame confirmation, then you can also buy or sell like something like this. Right. And next possible scenario is here. If market uh, press tap here and market create here chalk and flip entry module in a lower time frame, then you can also take entry for this sell or buy. Remember one thing actually. When price tap on higher time frame order block after taking out the inducement, in that case, you can use every type of entry possible like chalk, flip, and single candle order block. But when price sweep the higher low, main higher low, inducement, right? In that case, you can buy or sell only based on single candle order block, not chalk flip, right? So past type here gives reaction, create single candle order block also. You can buy or sell. Also, you can buy sell here based on flip and chalk, right? Here you can apply three types of entry also. Push downside, and this is a final target. Again, push downside. This one is a decisional PY. Here you can see decisional like inducement sweep here. When inducement sweep, you can buy or sell here only based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need to wait for chalk or flip anything, right? Sell here and target is here. This is a simple thing. Here you need chalk, flip, single candle order block, everything. But here you need only single candle order block. Okay, so this is a difference between both scenario. Here you can see failed sometime market failed and go higher, mitigate your undecisional PY and gives reaction, but you need also decision like additional confirmation like chalk, flip, and single candle order block, and then sell till this low. That's it. In the lower time frame, what would a single candle order looks like? A hammer doji? Yes, sir. Candle color and candlestick formation is not matter. Main thing is the next candle cover the previous candle higher low, close above the previous candle higher low, the third candle mitigation, and simply buy or sell. That's it. Okay. Now switch in a next one. Two diagrams is a cover. Last two diagrams is a left here. I think only the previous high sweep. We don't need inducement in a lower time frame. Sir, when price sweep the high, sweep the like low, or sorry, sweep the high in a bearish market, sweep the inducement. In that case, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block. In that case, you don't need a lower time frame, like confirmation like chalk and flip. Okay, now switch in a next one. Here you can see similar thing is here. Taken out the inducement, tap on your PY, you can sell here. Simple. But in this case, little bit situation different. Market is a bearish and sweep the main low is here. So how you can deal? You can also buy here, but for the short term because pro trend is a bearish. That's why. Okay. So simply if market get here, next candle close of it and third candle mitigation, you can buy here for the short term till broken this high. Okay. So this is a process for the short term buy and sell. Main thing is you have to wait for taking out the inducement in a bearish market, taking out the high and then sell. And this is high probability entry for the sell compared to this one. And this is a 50% of probability entry for the buy. Right. Push downside and candle close below it, and this become our valid block of structure because in a first time just with the liquidity. So this is a not break of the structure. Market must be candle closer. That's why this high transfer here to here. Okay, and the next attempt candle close. So this is a break of structure, and this is our single leg move here, right? Until taken out the inducement. So here market taken out the inducement. So market taken out the inducement. In this case, you can also sell here, but based on single candle order block because price sweep this high and third candle mitigation and sell here. In this case, you don't need inducement. Okay. So again, push downside, break the structure. Similar thing is here. In this case, in a higher time frame, there is no inducement create here, but you can sell here still. Why? Because this move taken out the liquidity. That's why this move taken out the liquidity. It means this is a strong zone for the sell. But if market not taken out the liquidity, then you can't sell here. For example, market continue go higher and candle close above it and push downside, right? And again up going upside and you are willing to sell here. So this is a not valid. This is a SMT, smart money trap, right? Price must be taken out the inducement, either market taken out the liquidity before the buy or sell. Simply mitigate here. You can also sell here. If you are willing to directly buy or sell without lower time frame convention, then you have to put the stop loss just above it. In this case, risk reward will be decreased, but probability of the increase will be automatically increased because you are playing based on a higher time frame and stop loss will be a little bit higher, right? But as per our like trading plan, entry plan is a perfect everything. Okay, because some people are not able to hold the lower time frame, handle lower time frame confirmation like 1 minute is a very fast time frame. That's why. Okay, so if you are willing to buy or sell based on directly 15-minute time frame, then you can directly buy or sell, right? It's up to you that. Okay, the next diagram. In this case, you can see this is our ranging market or diagram. In this case, you can play in a two type of possible scenario. First one is you have to always wait for taking out the main high or low. Then you can take entry. If market taken out the previous low, for example, but sweep the previous low. In that case, you can simply buy or sell here based on directly. You can buy or sell based on a lower time frame. Sorry, you can buy or sell based on single candle order block in a lower time frame confirmation also you can use single candle order block. You don't need to wait for chalk or flip or anything in a lower time frame. Simply you can buy or sell based on single candle order block because market taken out the liquidity. And always target the main high or low as a target, as a liquidity point. And the previous high is a broken. Here you can see at this point market taken out the previous high, but not close above it, right? So in this case you need lower time frame confirmation like chalk and flip before the sell, right? Again push downside, taken out the inducement, price came back this point, you can also buy here. Again broken this high, similar stories here, broken the previous high, candle close above it, so you can bid, you can sell here based on lower time frame confirmation, chalk and flip only, not single candle order block, right? Single candle order block is applicable when sweep the high or low. Here this is a not sweep, this is a candle closer, that's why here you can't apply single candle order block. And if price tap on PY, for example here any PY, then you can use single candle order block, otherwise no, right? For example, this is a PY is here, right? And price create here single candle order block, then you can buy here based on single candle order block. Even candle close below it or not doesn't matter, right? So this is a process that how you can deal in a different situation in a bullish market, bearish market, in a ranging market. Now I'm going to show you trading plan that what I mentioned in a previous trading plan. So let's see, let me show you exactly. Did you say no chalk needed when it sweep the low? Yes, sir. When sweep the high or low, main high or low, and then you don't need to lower time frame chalk or flip or anything. Simply you can buy or sell based on single candle order block, also based on lower time frame 1 minute single candle order block after refinement of the higher time frame as COB. Can we have a diagram, please? Sir, all diagram posted on a Discord also. So you can check the diagram section and video code section.